This is Venkatesh. In this video, I'm going to explain how to download Python software and how to install Python software. First of all, open the browser, type google.com. In a Google, type Python download. Enter. Then here first link only appears python.org. It is an official website for downloading Python software. Click on this hyperlink. Here downloads tab. You can click on Python 3.8.5 button if it is your operating system is Windows. If your operating system is Mac OS, click on Mac OS. If your operating system is other than Windows and Mac OS, click on other platforms. Now, if your operating system is Windows, you can click on Python 3.8.5 button, or you can click on Windows. If you click on Windows, you can see latest version also. See, click on Windows. Here, latest Python 3 release, Python 3.8.6. It is the latest version. Here, if you scroll down, you can see previous versions also. If you want to download latest version, just click on Python 3.8.6. Here, just scroll down. Here files appears. Here these three for Windows 64-bit operating system, these three for Windows 32-bit operating system. Before downloading, you need to check whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. To check whether 32 or 64, open File Explorer. In a File Explorer, click on this PC and right click on this PC. Click on Properties here. Then it shows System Type. See, 64-bit operating system. If your operating system is 32-bit, you click on Windows x86 executable installer. If your operating system is 64-bit, click on Windows x86 64 executable installer. So my operating system is 64-bit. That's what I'm going to click on this one. Here, download it. After downloading, just double click here. Here, click on Run button. Then it is going to be installed. Here, select the checkbox, add Python 3.8 to path. Then path is going to be added. Automatically path is added to existed other path settings. Say install Python 3.8.6 for 64-bit operating system. Now click on Install Now. Click on Yes button. It is the latest version 3.8.6. It is for Windows 64-bit operating system. Before downloading, you need to check whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. If 32-bit is there, 32-bit download. 64-bit is there, 64-bit download. But on 64-bit operating system, 32-bit also possible. But while developing database related applications, you need to set so many paths. Instead of that, 64 is there, 64 only download, 32 is there, 32 only download. See, setup was successful. Click on close button. Now Python software successfully installed. Now you can check. Here type Python. This is Python console or Python shell. This is IDLE, integrated development learning environment. Either this or this you can open, you can see. See, first I'll open Python shell or Python prompt. See here, just you can type first program like print welcome. See, we got a output welcome. This is Python shell or Python prompt, we can say. You can exit by using exit function. Now Python IDLE I'll open. Here just you type Python, then here IDLE, you click on this one. Here it is called integrated development learning environment. Here you can increase the font size also by clicking on options menu, configure IDLE. Here size, suppose I'm giving 25, just apply. OK. Now here you can type first program, say print welcome, enter. Now Python is running successfully. Okay.